Mad Darky. Darkest.
Rage. Welcome to whatever the hell we are. We do not have a name. Then again, that might be our name, so, yeah. Okay. Darky, what do you play?
Singer and screamer.
Drums, as you can see.
Guitarist. Okay, what we're going to be doing for you is us three are going to be pretty much starting a song. So, hope you like. Can you see us fine? If so, good. If not, you don't see.
Yep. Sorry.
Yeah.
Top on the list.
Alright, well, we got.
Here we go.
Thumbs up. Should I eat bananas?
What?
What'd you say about bananas?
I need potassium. My leg's cramping.
So you need bananas? You actually want to kill Onision?
Shut up, you faggot.
Hey, just saying, man.
Give me the camera.
Oh, fine, here.
Don't be a homophobe.
Excuse his stupidity.
Okay, well, that was in this, video. Oh, come on. Mad Dog, get out.
He's a homophobe.
Apparently Dark is out. And then Rage, I'll catch you on the other side. Thank you. Have a good night.